Hello beautiful people, today I want to show you the easiest way I make my Nigerian chicken stew without wasting my gas at all. You know gas is very expensive now, so we need to manage whatever we have. So the first thing I want to do now is season this chicken. I've already washed it thoroughly, okay? I just added salt. I'll go in with the seasoning cube. Then I'll go in with grated ginger and garlic. The next thing I'll add is thyme and curry powder. Now I'll go in with the chopped onions. Then I'll go in with some pepper mix. I always like to season my chicken with pepper mix. It gives it another unique flavor. Okay, give that a stir, mix it together thoroughly, allow everything to enter very well. Mind you, do not add water to your chicken whenever you are cooking it, because it will release its own water by itself. Look at this now, without water. Okay, so if you have been adding water to your chicken, I think you should try this method. Just give that a stir and also check if it's cooked. If not, cover for some minutes and allow it. Look at what we have, guys. Isn't this beautiful? So the next thing I will do now is to fry this chicken until it's golden brown, just like this. Can you see it? This chicken is so dry. Whenever you are eating it, in fact, you will enjoy it very, very well. So guys, this is amazing. So I will remove this from the oil. Look at it, so nice, right? So the next thing I will do now is to add my well sliced onion into the same oil. Okay, nothing is wasted. The oil I use in frying my chicken, that is the same oil I want to use to make this tomato stew. Okay, so give that a stir. You want to allow these onions to simmer for some minutes. So right now I'll go in with tomato paste. Meanwhile, I've already blended my tomato, onion, shombo and pepper is in a pot. You will see what I'm going to do right now. But before I show you that, what I'm doing here is to fry these tin tomatoes to remove that sour taste. When you want to make stew with tin tomato or tomato paste, this is what you should do. Fry it to this extent. At least by this time the sour taste has gone off. So the next thing I will do now is to introduce to you my blended tomatoes. What am I going to do right now? I will go ahead and add the fried tomato paste to these fresh tomatoes I blended. In fact, if you make your stew like this, you will know that stew making is easy. Okay, just give that a stir, mix it together very well. You can see that I'm making a large pot of stew, chicken stew. Okay, so right now you give that a stir and cover it to boil. For those of you that will say, is this how to make Nigeria stew now? Is it the way to make Why not try this method? Try it. There are different ways you can do things and still achieve the same results. Can you see how this stew is bubbling? It's bubbling very well. So I will just give this a stir, mix it together thoroughly so that the damp part will not get burnt. Then if today is your first time of coming across my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. You are welcome to this amazing community. And for my returning subscribers who are always watching my videos, I say a big thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. Remember, there are different roads that leads to the market and you will still get there, right? So right now I'm introducing my chicken stock. I'll give that a stir, although I'm still going to cover this pot for some minutes, but give it a stir and allow it to cook. Everything is going to cook together. You are still going to achieve that delicious stew. So I will adjust this stew with a little salt. Then I will also be adding some seasoning cube to it. Everything is going to cook together, don't forget. So guys, do this, mix it together and allow the stew to cook properly. Okay, leave it to cook properly. And if you have not liked my video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment your thoughts. I know some people will be thinking, is it the way to make stew? How can you make stew like this? Remember that there are different ways, different roads that leads to the market, and you will still get there. Everybody, no matter the corner you take, you will still get to the market. Can you see how my stew is looking? Isn't this looking like the stew you make in your house? Okay, so now I will introduce my already fried chicken. I will introduce my chicken to it. Yes, this stew is giving 100 over 100 minus nothing. I made that, guys. So give it a stir, mix it together, and remember our stew is getting ready gradually. Okay, would you be trying this method? Have you tried making stew with this type of method before? If you haven't, let me know in the comment section. If you have, also let me know in the comment section. And if you will be trying this my method of making Nigeria chicken stew, let me know in the comment section. This stew came out so delicious. I mean, 100 over 100 minus nothing. It came out so nice, and everybody in my family love it. Okay, this is a large pot of stew. I'm going to be keeping some in my freezer. Thank you so much for staying connected. May God bless you. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.